So I think this is okay. So what we need to do is part 2. Part 2 will be let x be the speed of a car. School compound. You can just define a mu. If your school wants you to define, just follow it. Yeah, H now is mu 25 km per hour. Mu 25 km per hour. Whether you're speeding or not, more than. Under H now, test statistic. You need to use CLT because the population is not normally distributed. Approximately by central limit theorem since n is large. How many cars are there? 50. Okay, so n equals to 50, x bar 26.5, s squared equals to 61.288, alpha percentage equals to 5%. Okay? Now, whether you reject or not. Now, because I know part 3 need to use p-value, so I'm just going to use p-value because part 3 is using 20% level significance, right? So without any further tests, this is the one which I need to go through with you. But we just use, anyway, we just use p-value to reject or not. Okay? So I said p-value is very easy. P-value basically just means if p-value is bigger than alpha, you don't reject h now. If p-value is less than alpha, you reject h now. Okay? So this test here, what we're going to do is just bring out a GC, calculate the p-value. Okay, so I'm just going to calculate the p-value up. This is it. Bring our GC up. And I usually like to draw the normal curve because it's easier to visualize. So stats test statistic mu naught is 25. That is what the Jaga at the school claims it to be. And then sigma would be root of S. This is S, unbiased estimate. You don't have the gold standard of sigma, you just use unbiased estimate. Estimate it. All right. So this is 61.288. Okay. Root of it. Oh my goodness. Hang I check. So 61.288. Okay. This one, root. Make sure you square root it. Please, let's just do this together. So x bar is 26.6. If you have a GC, just key in, find your p-values. Then n is 50. 50, right? 50 cars. And then you want it to be more than, and I'll prefer you to draw. Pick your color. Let's see what color I like. I like blue. Of course, I like blue. Not like. Okay, so this blue is very nice actually. I like this blue. It's very close to my brand color. So yeah, that's why I like this blue. How? So this is your p-value, z-test. Take it down. You can use another sigma value if you want to. Just key in. Put it in here. P-value, yeah, that's it. I'll come and help you. Come. So yeah, in exam you just write from GC, p-value is what? Yeah, that's it. Coming to you. Okay. So from GC, the p-value will just be 0.0877. So this is actually more than alpha percent. What's the alpha percentage? You're testing 5%, right? This is more than 5%, which is this is 8.77%. So if this is 8.77%, so do not reject H naught at 5% level of significance. My goodness. Well, we conclude that we don't have sufficient evidence to state that the mean speed of cars has increased. Okay, in context of the question. So you just straight away just like, hey, security guard, don't anyhow say. Hey, you don't have enough evidence to say that people speed in front of the school.